Hello friends, welcome again to my channel Sebastore and Blogs. Kalemfoy means welcome. This is a word of Tiwa tribes which is used to greet someone. This Tiwa tribe is indigenous community inhabiting the state of Assam. They are recognized as a scheduled tribe within the state of Assam. They are also known as Lalungs in Assamese history, colonial literature and in the Constitution of India. Tiwa means the people who were lifted from below. Tiwa people who believe that they migrated a long time back from their homeland, which was situated in the eastern part of undivided Darong district. The memory of their original homeland is expressed in their popular song Lalilai Hilali. This folklore of Hilali is also shared by the Sodial Kasari community, which point out to the fact that the entire area are including the hills of Arunachal, Lakhimpur, Dhemaji, Tinsukia, Dibrugarh and Sibsagar was once a single kingdom which was bounded by the Dikrai and Dikho river. Festival constitute a significant part of the culture of the Tiwa people. This is one of the indigenous festival called Wangsua, held from 12th February to 14th February in this year in Kharsia playground of Yugdal near Sonapur. This is organized by the All Kamrup District Tiwa Students Union. Let us enjoy with this festival. Thank you for watching my video, and if you have liked it and if you have anything to say about it, please let me do know in the comment section below. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you can get my instant updates on your notification. Till then, bye bye.